The most airy and weightless color is of course blue. Do you know what it tastes like? If not, then don't worry. This new challenge from MultiDO will help you understand. I'm hungry. Let's see what's under there fast. Take your time, Monica. I want to start first. I won't let you. Victory! I knew I could beat you. Let's see what's here. Wow, it looks like a crocodile. How unusual. Wow. That's scary, I would say. Monica, stop prying into other people's affairs. But I'm interested. There's a lollipop inside. What a surprise. I'd like to try it too. Well, just believe me, it's delicious. I'm really excited. It's a pity that the lollipop is so small. But I can play with the crocodile. Look how sharp his teeth are. Be careful. I'm afraid. Come on, it's just a toy. That's enough, Bella, I told you. And what do I see? What a beauty. Where? On your plate. Stop, it's mine. I can't see anything, help. Next time, you'll know not to mess with my food. This lollipop is beautiful. And it's made out of precious stones. I finally took that off. Oh no! You've almost eaten it all. It looks like it's really delicious. No big deal. Now I can see for myself. Crocodile, come on. How lucky I am. There's only one lucky person here, and that's me. I don't understand. Where's my sucker? She noticed. I need to hurry.
Oh my god!
Okay, done. There's nothing left on the stick. Do you think you can just get away with this? Take that! My nose! Monica, what are you doing? That hurts. You asked for it. I have an idea. Now we will find out who will open first. Hooray, it's me! Suck it up, Monica. Why do I always lose? What have you got there? Wow, it looks cool. The winner gets a delicious prize. I think it's a sweet mask. Look, Monica. Does it look like me? Okay, stop messing around. It's time to try it. I wasn't mistaken. It's very sweet. It's a big cookie. Wow. Great. I wonder what it tastes like. Unfortunately for you, you'll never know. I'm not used to sharing. Moreover, mine only has a small piece left. This cookie gave me a good idea. I want to make a mask. It looks scary, doesn't it? Monica, look at this. I was just joking, silly. Not funny, I was really scared. I really need a distraction. I wonder what this is.
What?
It looks like a perfume jar. And there's some kind of liquid inside. Maybe I should try it. Sour. I like it. Did you really enjoy it? Yeah. And you know what I thought? No need to be petty.
Here we go!
I can drink it all at once. Whoa. I feel like it's really waking me up. Oh, sour. I think I overdid it. Wow, what's wrong with you, Monica? Looks like you short-circuited. Why are the lights going on and off? Help! It's a skeleton! I knew she'd believe it. It was a prank, Bella. As you can see, I can have more fun than you. That's not funny.
Okay!
This time, I suggest we open our plates together. Wow, what beautiful glitter! It's blinding. I wonder what this is. It looks great. What did you get, Bella? Wow, a shoe! Look how beautiful it is. I'm sure I can eat it. I just want to touch it, though. What's in your bottle? We'll find out soon. I'm already opening it. My gut tells me there's going to be something delicious there. Hey, nothing's pouring out. Come on. Oops. It doesn't seem that simple. I'll still be able to get to it. I'm really close to my goal. I see, it's gel! Finally, I can try it. Oh, wow, and it's stringy too. It's like caramel. It looks so delicious. I can't even express how good this is. This is the best thing I've tried today. I want more and more. I hope this gel never ends. I also want to try. Sorry, but unlike you, I'm not used to sharing. I can handle this jar all by myself. I'm already salivating. That's it. I need to stop looking at that. I have to do something. It's time to try my shoe. It's shaky and it's funny. It's like jelly. I'll start with the heel. It's so soft, just great. I like it. But it seems like something's missing. It would be great to add some gel here. Monica, let's put them together. No, thank you. Just imagine how delicious it'll be.
Yeah!
Delicious, you say? Well, fine. You've convinced me. Hold the shoe. I'll put on a little gel. In my opinion, we're doing a great job. I don't know which end to approach it from. Do you want to eat it all by yourself? Don't even get your hopes up. We'll split this shoe in half. I'm ready to try it. And me too. Yes, I did it. Where'd half the shoe go? I rightfully took it for myself. By the way, it really is delicious. I suggest you try it as soon as possible.
Okay.
Why not? Oh yeah, you're right. This is amazing. Still, it was my good idea. I suggest we start by counting. And it says that I'm starting again. Okay, well let's see what you have there. Wow, this is something out of the ordinary. Yeah, it looks amazing. These balls are so soft. I really like them. Look how the glass is shaking. I've never seen anything like it. Cool, now you can play. Yeah! The balls can be rolled or thrown. Even better when you put them in the glass. Time for an experiment. I'm sure this ball should fit perfectly in here. Wow, how beautiful, Monica, look! Why did you put the ball in the glass? I think it'll be more convenient to eat. Look, it fits perfectly in my mouth. No, it's too big. And I'm sure I can eat it. And then all the others. Next up is the second one. So far I'm doing great. I can't talk, my mouth is so full. I warned you not to experiment. Never mind, I'm gonna swallow it. It worked! It was delicious. I deserve another round. And now you can relax. But I'll take a look at what's on my plate. Wow, a sweet toilet bowl with Chupa Chups. Not bad. It smells nice. I want to try it. Wow, these lollipops are so sweet. Wow, you were lucky. It was supposed to happen sometimes. I love this caramel. I have no doubt that it's delicious. It's a pity that it ended so quickly. But I'll have another one. I completely forgot. I didn't open the toilet.
What?
There's something inside. Some kind of powder. Well, I'll try it. Oh, I got it! It's so sour, but when you put it together with the sweet lollipop, it'll be just what you need. That's a good idea, Monica. I hope I won't regret making this. Very tasty, I like it. I'm gonna pretend like nothing happened. Super, I want more. Hey, why is the toilet empty? I think I can guess where all the fizz went. Bella, is there anything you want to tell me? I don't have time to talk. I have to eat my gummy glass. It's so delicious you can't even imagine. Of course, because of my lollipop powder. Come on, you shared it with a friend. That was sour. My face is cramping up. But it's so nice. I'm happy for you. The blue food's all done for today, but there's still some funny shots. Take a look at them. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.